Welcome student. Hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. My name is Maheshwari. I am belong from Social Department. I am your Social Ma'am. This is TMHNU Nadar Saraswati Public School, Vadapudupatti. Class 7 Civic Subject Unit 1 Equality in Indian Democracy. In this lesson, we will see discrimination and inequality. Article 15 of the Indian Constitution guarantees equality to all citizens of India. No individual can be discriminated on the basis of religion, race, caste, place of birth, or gender. It is abolished untouchability and so every individual has equal access to all public places. No individuals can be considered untouchability. The Constitution also grants all of have right to vote. Every citizens of India have vote right. What is mean universal adult franchise? Already we are studying in previous class. Irrespective of the caste, education, wealth and religions, also known as universal adult franchise. There are many laws that have protect people being treated unequally. There are also several government initiated programs and schemes improve the life of people who ill-treated preserve the century. One such program is the Midday Meal Scheme, why lunch provided to the government elementary school. Tamil Nadu was the first state to introduce the Midday Meal Scheme. In 2001, Supreme Court asked to all states government implemented the Midday Meal Scheme. Equality we can achieve only we change the attitude and treat every individual with respect and dignity. For example, government hospitals in India are most visited by poor and even when critical that have no choice for standing in long queue. Due to the poor economic background, these people cannot pay the high fee charged by private hospital and so this experience inequality. Apart from economic background, people sometimes treated unequally, basically the religion, gender and caste discrimination. People belong to the minority community often face problem to getting the house in locality of choice. Women to appear less male contribute for the same job. For example, female players in national and international tennis and cricket match are paid much less than male contribute but. A famous Dalit writer Om Prakash Valmiki wrote about caste discrimination finished by in his autobiography book named Jutan. Valmiki sit in the floor of the classroom and sometimes he beaten by his teacher without any reason. He also treated by teachers inequality in classroom. He also made sweep school playground because of caste discrimination. This discrimination on the basis of the religion, gender and caste. Discrimination hurt the dignity and self-respect of the people. India is struggle for equality. Our Indian people want to freedom and equality. That's why it's struggle for the equality. United States, America, Afro-American treated unequally many years. When traveling in public buses, they seated in back seat. White people alone occupy the seat. In 1955, Rosa Parks, an Afro-American, refused to give up seat of bus to white man. It is resulted agitations lead to civil rights movement. Later, Civil Rights Act 1964 implemented which prohibited the discriminations on the basis of religion, race and national origin. Our government bring equality among the people. There are still several communities they are strongly to maintain the dignity and equality in society. In this chapter, we learned that the Indian Constitution guarantees equality to all Indians. Each and every citizen have equal right to India. Self-respect is the most vital factor in life. Every citizen have equal right to India. Remaining lesson we will see next video. Thank you children.